Hello students, how are you? I hope you all people are doing very well in these vacations also. And I hope vacations longed a lot. From the very March you are having vacations, but these 10 to 11 days you would be having very, you know, without attendance or without homework or nothing is there. Homework was there a bit, assignments were there, but still at least a proper way is there. Not even online. We have given you a relaxation over there, and now from today onwards we are restarting our online classes. That's a way of restarting. Clear, students? So I hope you must have utilized your way in a very well way, and now you people must be aware about, I have also sent you in the group, which subject teacher or which teacher will be taking you with subject now according to the new session. And students, from 8 o'clock till 1:30, you're not going to move anywhere else from one place to another place. Our recess is there of 15-minute break. That time you can go anywhere else wherever you want. But as you people used to sit in the school classroom, in the same manner you will be sitting at your home in a very well manner, because in this situation this is the only one thing which can help us, or which we can do. So follow the things in a very serious mode. And most of you, the students, have tried that this way you people are not getting, or that way you people are not getting. But before, like in the month of April or May, we came to know that, or we observed that at the start you people were very straightforwardly watched the videos. Many views we had, but gradually you people became fed up behind and behind, and you people did not watch the video in a proper manner, the manner in which you people should watch the videos. But you people did not. That's not a good practice. Students, you are in class 9, the senior most class have started, and that was bad luck, good luck, nobody knows what we can say. But your senior session or the senior class session started in such a pandemic crucial situation, that is COVID-19. What we can do and what we can't do, that everybody knows very well. But in such a hard situation also, we can only think what we can do well, and honestly and in a very proper manner we will speak accordingly, or we will work accordingly. Students, these are the online classes. We are here back with that online classes again, because we found it more helpful comparatively the Zoom app classes. So we are here back again. And student, we want a promise from you that now it's very clear that in 9th A1 and 9th A2, 9th A1 I am the class teacher, and 9th A2 I am the English subject teacher. So student, that will be remain for the till the end of this session, either online or face to face classes we will have. School, whatsoever will be the situation, I'll be your English teacher. So I hope so. Whatever instructions I have given you before also, and further I will be giving you, you will be focusing or following accordingly, and hope so you people will be doing in a very well mannered all the things. But student, I want a promise from all of you. It's a sincere promise I want from all of you. At home also, feel like that you are in your classroom, and whatever the time limit is there in the timetable which has been sent by your class teachers to you, according to that time limit, sit at one place. Only your original teacher will be replaced with the online teacher. Whatever teachers will remain same, but the method of learning will be differ. Face to face, instead of face to face learning, that is either mobile learning or system learning will be there. System will be kept, and in that system we are there to speak you. We have sent you the things over there. Just attentively up to that duration watch it. Two lesson I'm having in both the sections. In one lesson I'll generate this video, one video. In that one lesson you will go through that video. Another lesson when we will have, another period when we will have, in that period we will discuss through WhatsApp chatting or through YouTube comments. I will sort out your problem, I will ask you, and through YouTube you will be at the very moment, you will be sending your attendance to me at the very moment. I'm not talking about class attendance, I'm talking about whether you people are watching that videos or not. That assurance I want when you will watch your videos on YouTube, with the link of the YouTube, with the help which we are sending. So that will be sent by, and whosoever comment I will not find, those people I'll be calling to their parents especially. That will not be tolerated at all now. Be attentive. Don't think even that schools will be opening in this time or that time or whatever the timing will be there. God knows, maybe COVID-19 knows very well when he is going to wind up from here, but situation is very critical. And in the month of April or May, we were having a plan that from July we can have a proper classes, but situations are not very sincere to move on with that. So that is why, students, I hope you people are trying to understand the seriousness of your level 9th standard you are in. So be attentive and be sincere in your way of learning, as this learning is the only way with which we can help you, and you people yourself can help you by attending them attentively and honestly. Hope so you people will try to understand. So students, in today's video I'm not going to take you prolonged of that, but I'm just going to give you an intro what we are going to start from tomorrow. Students, tomorrow we are going to start the second chapter from your book Beehive, and the name of the chapter is The Sound of Music. That simply, in that chapter we are having two part. First part is a girl is there of hardly 16 or 17 years old. She's completely deaf, unable to hear anything else, but she, with her lot of efforts, with such a physical disability also, she became a good drum beater. She was able to do a lot of things, a lot of awards she could win, even though she was disabled by the listening ability. In another part we are having Bismillah Khan, the Shehnai legend. So the story of his life and when he used to play, what things happened at that time, that's there a part. So students, in advance have a reading first part only for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to start the first part only. So there is nothing in the story narration in that. We will suddenly jump on to the paragraph explanation. There is nothing to explain you a lot. Gradually when we will go through, because these are not the story lineup, that is a real story experience which both the people have faced with their particular sound, or with their particular way of listening or way of performing. So that is, both the people are there. So these two part we will be taking from tomorrow. So honestly be with that, and in advance have a reading of the first part and fulfill the promise. Clear? Don't forget to fulfill that promise, that you will be sitting and you will be listening attentively all the time. And in the first lesson you will watch the videos, and in the second lesson, according to the timetable, whenever I will be getting with you, you will be telling me, or you will be chatting with me, asking your queries, you're getting or not getting, and I'll be sorting out your problems, whatever problems you could be having, but of that particular part only which we have discussed in the first lesson. In the second lesson we will discuss that part only. Hope so you're getting everything else. So that's all with this video. Tomorrow we will start. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.